Are you looking to fix your home plumbing system, but you're not really sure how to get started? Do you feel overwhelmed trying to figure out what's the best way to move forward? Wouldn't it be nice if you had a professional plumber who you could call at any time and you know is reliable and trustworthy? Someone with years of experience, a professional approach, and a proven track record of effective service? Well, that's exactly who we are. We're available at any time to visit you and help you fix your leaks, drips, and any other plumbing issues you might have. So if you need a professional plumber in your area, then contact us today for more details.